Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today we are going to explore the critical aspect of aligning IT with business objectives as outlined in ISO 38500. This international standard emphasizes the importance of ensuring that IT investments, strategies and activities are closely aligned with the overarching goals of the organization. Importance of alignment. Before we delve into the specifics, let's discuss why aligning IT with business objectives is crucial. In today's digital age, technology plays a pivotal role in driving business success. Therefore, it's essential to ensure that IT decisions and actions support and enhance the achievement of organizational objectives. ISO 38500 Framework Overview. ISO 38500 provides a framework for governing IT within organizations. Central to this framework is the principle of alignment, which emphasizes the need for coherence between IT and business strategies. Let's explore how organizations can achieve this alignment. Understanding business objectives. The first step in aligning IT with business objectives is to gain a deep understanding of the organization's overall goals, priorities, and strategies. This requires collaboration between IT and business leaders to ensure that IT initiatives are designed to directly contribute to the achievement of these objectives. Integration of IT and business strategies. Once business objectives are understood, the next step is to integrate IT strategies with broader business strategies. IT should not operate in isolation, but should be seen as an enabler that helps the organization realize its strategic vision. This integration ensures that IT investments and priorities are directly aligned with business priorities. Value delivery. Alignment of IT with business objectives ultimately aims to deliver value to the organization. This can take various forms, such as improving operational efficiency, enhancing customer experience, or driving innovation. By focusing on delivering tangible value, IT initiatives become more meaningful and impactful to the organization. Continuous monitoring and adaptation. Achieving alignment is not a one-time effort but an ongoing process. Organizations must continuously monitor the alignment between IT and business objectives and adapt their strategies and priorities as needed. This requires regular communication and collaboration between IT and business stakeholders. Benefits of alignment. The benefits of aligning IT with business objectives are significant. It ensures that IT investments are strategic and deliver measurable outcomes, enhances organizational agility by enabling rapid response to changing business needs, and fosters a culture of collaboration and innovation across the organization. In conclusion, aligning IT with business objectives is essential for organizations to maximize the value of their IT investments and drive sustainable business growth by understanding business objectives, integrating IT and business strategies, focusing on value delivery, and continuously monitoring alignment. Organizations can position IT as a strategic asset that contributes to their overall success. Thank you for your attention. Now, let's open the floor for any questions or discussions, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.